Imagine driving down a dimly lit road at night, the world ahead barely visible through the faint glow of your car's headlights. Suddenly, a deer darts across the path, and your reaction time is the difference between safety and disaster. The type of headlights you have, LED or halogen, can make all the difference in such critical moments. Headlights are not just a feature, they are a lifeline, illuminating the unknown and ensuring safe travels. Today, we dive deep into the battle of LED versus halogen headlights, comparing their strengths and weaknesses across various dimensions. Performance and visibility. When it comes to brightness, LED headlights take the crown with ease. They often produce over 1600 lumens, significantly brighter than the approximate 1/100 lumens of halogen bulbs. This increased brightness translates to clearer visibility, allowing drivers to spot obstacles and road signs more effectively during nighttime or adverse weather conditions. Beam distance advantage. LEDs also excel in beam distance, illuminating up to 300 meters ahead compared to halogen's typical range of around 100 to 150 meters. This extended reach provides drivers with more time to react to potential hazards, enhancing safety on dark highways or rural roads. Whiter light with LED versus yellowish halogen glow. The color temperature of headlights affects both visibility and aesthetics. LEDs emit a bright white light, often between 4000 K to 6000 K, which closely mimics daylight and reduces eye strain. In contrast, halogen bulbs produce a warmer, yellowish glow, around 3000 K, which can feel less effective in cutting through darkness. Energy efficiency and environmental impact. Energy efficiency is a major advantage of LED headlights. They convert over 90% of energy into light, wasting less than 10% as heat. Halogen bulbs, on the other hand, are notoriously inefficient, converting only about 10% of energy into light while dissipating 90% as heat. This efficiency not only reduces strain on a vehicle's electrical system, but can also contribute to marginal fuel savings. Heat management. The heat generated by halogen bulbs can pose issues, especially during prolonged use or in hot climates. LEDs produce minimal heat, making them more environmentally friendly and less likely to overheat components. This characteristic is particularly beneficial in warmer regions like much of India, where heat dissipation is a concern. Longevity and maintenance. One of the standout features of LED headlights is their longevity. They can last between 20,000 to 50,000 hours, often outliving the vehicle itself. Halogen bulbs, by comparison, have a much shorter lifespan of 500 to 1,000 hours, requiring annual replacements in many cases. This durability makes LEDs a long-term investment. Due to their shorter lifespan, halogen headlights demand more frequent maintenance. This can be a hassle, especially on rough roads where vibrations, common in places like India, can further reduce bulb life. LEDs, being more resistant to shocks and vibrations, require minimal upkeep, saving time and effort. Cost considerations. Cost is often a deciding factor for many drivers. Halogen headlights are budget-friendly, with prices ranging from 500 to 2,000 Rs per pair in India or $10 to $30 per bulb elsewhere. LEDs, however, come with a higher upfront cost, often between $5,000 to $20,000 per pair or $50 to $200 per bulb, depending on quality and brand. This initial expense can deter some buyers despite long-term benefits. While LEDs last longer, their replacement costs are significantly higher when they do fail. A single LED unit can cost between $50 to $200 or more compared to the relatively cheap halogen replacements. Additionally, LED repairs or replacements may require professional assistance due to their complex design, adding to the expense. Design and functionality. LED headlights offer greater design versatility, enabling manufacturers to create sleek, modern headlight shapes and adaptive features like matrix technology. This not only enhances a vehicle's aesthetic appeal, but also allows for customizable lighting patterns. Halogen setups, being more traditional, lack such flexibility and often appear dated. Response time matters in dynamic driving situations. LEDs achieve full brightness almost instantly upon activation, providing immediate illumination. Halogen bulbs take slightly longer to reach peak brightness, which, while not a major issue, can be a subtle disadvantage in scenarios requiring quick light activation. Driving conditions and safety. In foggy conditions, halogen headlights often perform better due to their warmer light, which penetrates fog more effectively. The cooler, whiter light of LEDs can scatter in fog, reducing visibility. This makes halogen a preferred choice for drivers in regions prone to heavy fog or mist. The intense brightness of LED headlights, while beneficial for the driver, can sometimes dazzle oncoming traffic, posing a safety concern. This issue is particularly noted when LEDs are improperly aligned or used in retrofitted setups not designed for them. Halogen lights, with their softer glow, are less likely to cause such glare. Broader implications and suitability. Beyond the direct comparisons, it's worth considering the broader implications of choosing between LED and halogen headlights. For instance, in regions with variable road conditions like India, the durability of LEDs against vibrations and shocks offers a clear advantage. However, the affordability and ease of installation of halogen bulbs make them more accessible, especially in rural areas where high-quality LEDs might not be readily available. For environmentally conscious drivers, LEDs are the obvious choice due to their energy efficiency and reduced heat output, aligning with eco-friendly driving practices. Fleet operators and commercial vehicle owners might also prefer LEDs for their long-term cost savings and reduced maintenance needs, despite the higher initial investment. On the flip side, budget-conscious individuals or those driving older vehicles may find halogen headlights more practical. Their compatibility with most cars, ease of replacement, and lower upfront cost make them a hassle-free option, even if they lack the advanced features of LEDs. Making the choice, LED or halogen. Choosing between LED and halogen headlights ultimately depends on your priorities, driving conditions, and budget. If brightness, longevity, and energy efficiency are paramount, LEDs are the superior choice. They offer enhanced visibility, reduced power consumption, and a modern aesthetic that can elevate your vehicle's look. However, if cost and simplicity are your main concerns, halogen headlights remain a reliable, affordable option, especially for short-term needs or in specific weather conditions like fog. It's also important to consider compatibility with your vehicle. Retrofitting LEDs into a car designed for halogen bulbs can be complex, often requiring adapters or professional installation to avoid issues like flickering or misalignment. In contrast, halogen bulbs are typically plug-and-play, making them a safer bet for older models. Conclusion: illuminating your path forward. In the showdown of LED versus halogen headlights, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. LEDs dominate in performance, efficiency, and lifespan, making them ideal for those willing to invest upfront for long-term benefits. Halogen bulbs, while less advanced, hold their ground with affordability, ease of use, and effectiveness in certain conditions like fog. As you weigh your options, consider how and where you drive most often. Are you navigating poorly lit rural roads, needing maximum brightness? Or are you a city driver looking for a cost-effective solution? Your headlights are more than just a tool. They're your eyes on the road, guiding you through every journey. This comparison has unpacked the nuances of both technologies, from their impact on visibility and safety to their cost and environmental footprint. Whether you opt for the cutting-edge brilliance of LEDs or the tried-and-true reliability of halogen, ensure your choice aligns with your driving needs and enhances your safety on every trip. After all, in the dance of light and darkness, the right headlights can turn the unknown into a path well-traveled.